Amara alaya aho ratra sankirtan tahate ahila teno pana nirmantran. So Krishna's Kaviraj, this is actually, it's a page from the diary of Krishna's Kaviraj. This is a personal story. It's not something that Krishna's Kaviraj heard from some other devotee. It's not something that Krishna's Kaviraj read in some book. Because we experience in different ways. From past life, where our experiences come before us as dreams and aspirations and various expressions of our prarabdha karma. And our experience comes before us in this life, in our travels, our meetings, our studies. So here he's saying, this is eyewitness news. He was there directly. So that's why he says, at my house, the author is saying, Krishna's Kaviraj, at my house there was Sankirtan day and night. Now, what kind of house is that? In your house, is there Sankirtan day and night? Your mother and father chanting Hare Krishna? I doubt it. Mine's not, because he's finished. So, at my house, he's saying, Krishna's Kaviraj is saying, I don't know about your house. In your house, television is going on day and night. But in my house, Sankirtan is going on. Harinam Sankirtan, the glorification of Krishna. Kirti. Kirti means glories, fame. Sankirtan, the glories of Krishna are going on. In a complete way. Day and night. And therefore, he visited. Because if you're an abode of prem, if you're Prem Dham, Miniketan Ramdas, then you want to go where the prem is flowing. So the prem is flowing in Harinam Sankirtan, Prem Sankirtan. So he said, there's some action over here. There's a party here. Sankirtan party. I want to go. I want to take part. I'm very attracted. Because someone who's full of Krishna Prem, they're very attracted to expressions of Krishna Prem. Devotees are embodiments of Krishna Prem. And the holy name is full of Krishna Prem. So he went there. And he was invited. Nirmantran. Nirmantran means invitation. So Krishna's Kaviraj, or his brother, he's not saying whom, but someone had invited him, please come to my house. You're a great devotee. Please visit my house. Because we're doing Harinam Sankirtan. And why are we doing Harinam Sankirtan? We're doing Harinam Sankirtan because we may be full of prem, and we're simply expressing our love for Krishna by chanting his names. Or we may be doing Harinam Sankirtan because we're hankering to attain Krishna Prem. So either way, so he's saying, please come to my house because you're an abode of prem. And we're trying to attract someone just like you. We're calling out, hey Radhe, hey Radharani, hey Shamsundar, hey Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. Which means we're trying to attract Krishna to us. But will Krishna himself come to us first? Probably he'll send his devotee. Usually you get the darshan of the devotee. First the bhakta, then Bhagavan. If our cries are sincere enough, we maybe not, our form of Harinam Sankirtan may be, oh God, I'm suffering. I'm really suffering. And I need some help. Please appear before me. Please come and save me. So that's our Sankirtan. So then Prem Dham comes before us. Miniketan Ramdas comes. And his name is Miniketan Niranjan Das. Not Miniketan Niranjan. No, it's Niranjan Swami, right? He was a Das at one time. We were all Das. So he comes. So then this is how we make progress. So now we hear some more the description. Aside that he's a Prem Dham, what else is there about this person who came to one day this Miniketan Ram came to my house. For example, if you were Miniketan Ram and you were walking down the street, and all the houses were quiet, but you hear one house, Hare Krishna, and Ainju is inside the house having a kirtan, and the walls are going like this, the house is going like this, and the roof is going like this, and you're walking along, then you say, hey, check it out. What's going on over there? There's a big Sankirtan party. So what will you do? You'll be a little curious. At least you'll be curious, won't you? And if there's some nice Sankirtan, your heart will be drawn there like a magnet draws the iron filings to the side of it, the magnet. So you can imagine Miniketan. Of course, he was invited. He had an invitation. But even if he wasn't, even if he didn't have an invitation, the Harinam itself was an invitation to all devotees to come and join. Sankirtan, San means Samyak. Samyak means everyone. Come everyone, join. Sometimes you start a kirtan, there's 2 people, like especially in India. And then before you know it, there's 3, then 4, then 5, right? You go to your one Kumbh Mela. If you just sat down with your Patidas friend and then had a kirtan, especially being white and from Russia, pretty soon there'd be two guys sitting down clapping their hands, and if you were two ladies doing Sankirtan, you'd have like 10 lakhs of people sitting down. If you were two Russian ladies, if you two ladies go and sat down at Kumbh Mela, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. First two guys would sit down, and then four, then six, and pretty soon the whole of Kumbh Mela would be there. For one reason or another, they would be attracted